Ever wondered how to craft a superpowered Dahboar within Retell AI and keep your budget in check? Let's start by jumping right into Retell AI first. Navigate to Create Dahboar from the dashboard. A simple click gets us going. Now, you'll give your Dahboar a name, something catchy. Next, choose your model. Retell AI offers various models, each with different capabilities and, importantly, varying costs. Look at the options and consider what you need your Dahboar to achieve. Here comes the crucial part, understanding the costs. Retell AI provides a clear pricing structure. Carefully analyze the per-minute cost associated with each model. Remember, the model you pick directly impacts your expenses. Consider the expected usage, how many minutes your Dahboar will operate. Think about your application. Are we talking about a Dahboar that speaks with a handful of people per day, or one that is constantly active and helping numerous customers? Think about how many interactions each day, and how long those interactions might be. Knowing these numbers will help you make the right cost-effective decision. Once you've finalized your model selection, settings adjustment, and confirmed the costs, go ahead and deploy the Dahboar. Double-check everything before you launch. After deployment, monitor its performance and usage within the AI platform. Review your resource usage regularly. Stay mindful of your spending and adjust your Dahboar settings, which might ultimately minimize your expenses. Now you have a Dahboar you can work with. Remember to keep an eye on those costs.